Hello students, welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are safe and sound at home. Today we are going to start with the same chapter, that is chapter 3, exponents and power, and it is the last part of this chapter. Last time I have explained you various laws of exponents, when the power is positive, when the power is negative. Today I am going to start with a new topic, that is standard form. So let us see what is standard form. Standard form is the method that scientists use to write very large or very small numbers. Instead of using lots of zeros, they write the numbers in power of 10. Over here I have taken an example, 89000000. How many zeros are there? 6 zeros. So instead of using these 6 zeros, if I have to write the number in standard form, there are certain general rules that we have to keep it in mind, or we have to follow to convert the given number into standard form. Let us see the first rule. The number expressed in the standard form should have the decimal point after the first non-zero digit. Over here, the first rule is that you have to place the decimal after the first digit. If you have to place the decimal after the first digit, you have to shift the decimal place towards left. So now it is very important, and just keep it in your mind. If I am shifting a decimal from right to left, suppose the decimal place is over here, and if I am shifting it from right to left, the power will be positive. And if I am shifting a decimal from left to right, the power will be negative. So if I am shifting a decimal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, how many places I have shifted? 7 places. So it will be 8.9 into 10 to the power 7. Second rule, the number of places the decimal point has to move determine the exponents of 10. The number of places I have moved, it determines the exponents of 10. It means I have shifted the decimal from right to left. How many places? 7 places. So it will be 10 to the power 7. Third, if the decimal point has to move from right to left, the exponent is positive. I have already explained you before. Fourth point, if the decimal point has to be moved from left to right, the exponent is negative. Let us see this one. 0.0059. I have to place the decimal over here after the first digit. So I have to shift the decimal from left to right. So 1 place, 2 place, 3 place, 4 place. So it will be 5.9 into 10 to the power minus 4. I hope all the rules are very much clear to everyone. Let us see some examples related to this exercise. The first example is express in standard form. 6469000000. I have to convert it into standard form. So first rule, first point is I have to bring the decimal to the first place after the first number. So if the decimal place is over here, how many places I have to shift? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have shifted 8 places towards left, from right to left. So it will be 6.469 into 10 to the power 8. Let us see another example. 0.000567. Now if the decimal point is over here, I am shifting the decimal point from left to right. So how many places I have shifted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 5.678 into 10 to the power minus 5. Or in another way, the easier method, remove the decimals. How many places? Where was the decimal? over here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 places. So how many zeros we are going to add? 1 2 3 4 5. Now it can be written as 10 to the power 5 into, now if I am going to shift this 10 to the power 5 at the place of numerator, over here the power is positive. If I am going to bring it over here, it will become negative. So this is how you are going to write the given number in standard form when you are going to shift a decimal from right to left or from left to right. Let us come to the last example, that is expand the following. This question is very much important, and look at this question very carefully because it is very tricky. The number is given to you 9.00876 into 10 to the power minus 4, and you have to convert it into expanded form, or you have to expand the following number. The first thing you have to do is remove the decimal from here. If I am going to remove the decimal, how many zeros I am going to add? 1 2 3 4 5. So 9.00876 upon 10 to the power 5. From here I have removed the decimal. Now it will become 9.00876 into 10 to the power minus 4 upon 10 to the power 5. If I am going to bring 10 to the power 5 to a numerator place, what it will become? 9.00876 into 10 to the power minus 4. This 5 will become minus 5 and the powers will be added. So 10 to the power minus 4 plus inside the bracket minus 5. So it will become 9.00876 into 10 to the power minus 9. Now to write in the given number in expanded form, what we will do? Over here 10 to the power minus 9 is given. Now we have to shift the decimal place from right to left. How many places? 9 places. So what I am doing? 1 2 3 4 5 6. After that, how many places are left? 3. So we are going to add that many zeros over here. 6 7 8 9, and after that 9 I am going to place a 0. So it will be 0.000900876. I hope it is clear to everyone. Now this chapter is finished. I have already sent my lesson plan. Your duty is to complete everything in your classwork copy. Till then, be safe. Goodbye.